Yep, now I know how the engineers felt at Area 51 when they were trying to back engineer the alien spacecraft. Linear actuators right here. Self-contained unit. Each one soldered in. Massive power pack. Not sure what the milliamps are on that. 8-hour average on the battery. Going to need a soldering gun to get these things off. So $70 buys you a Ps5 controller. Interesting.